way he handled it that propelled him to the national spotlight.
It refurbished his humanitarian credentials. It was very well timed for him politically.
This was the disaster that preceded both Dust Bowl and Hurricane Katrina.
Rainfall in the upper Mississippi River watershed filtered down to the lower Mississippi and flooded vast areas, very poor parts of the nation in Mississippi and Arkansas and Louisiana. Up until that time, all calamities of that sort, even regional calamities, had been addressed locally or by regions, by states.
It wasn't seen as a federal responsibility to those people in trouble. Indeed, until FDR, if you were in trouble, it would be nice if people like Herbert Hoover came to your assistance, but there was no requirement that they come to your assistance.
This was the Katrina of the 20th century. Nothing like this had ever happened, and look at the difference between how these two situations were handled. An individual took charge, went to the scene, set up tent cities, got food, got relief, organized it as sort of a guy on the ground orchestrating everything, versus what happened in Katrina.
The time of Hurricane Katrina, when the Bush administration didn't respond quickly enough, even the most conservative Americans didn't say, it's none of Washington's business if people are drowning and starving in New Orleans. And that's something that changed with the New Deal.
What Hoover mostly did, and Coolidge did too, and they went on the radio and did this, in fact, was to appeal for money from the charitable free will donations of the American people, and raised many $1 million. In fact, it was quite successful in dollar terms.
Hoover basically helped to pioneer the idea of large-scale rescue and relief. These were tremendous feats of organization.